Hey, this is Jones with PoolWarehouse.com, and we're at a brand new pool construction, so they're still finishing putting up the fence and kind of doing the final touches to the pool, but wanted to show you guys this 6-foot pool bench. Now this bench is gray, and it does come in white, but it's made by Hydra Pools. This goes with any pool kit that we sell. It replaces one of the pool wall panels, so typically when you're building a pool, you're gonna go panel, brace, panel, brace. Well, this goes panel, brace, panel, brace, and then you've got your 6-foot pool bench. So it's 6 foot wide. It's only a couple feet deep, so just deep enough for you to sit, hang your legs over, probably for 2 or 3 people max on this bench. Now it is not a ladder. Some people want to put a pool bench in their deep end and have it replace the ladder. Won't meet code, so don't plan on that. This is just a great place to hang out. You can put it in the shallow end or you can put it in the deep end. Highly recommend adding this to your kit. If you're quoting a kit at PoolWarehouse.com, if you get to the bench selection, this is the 6-foot gray bench, just add it to your quote. Definitely a great feature. You will enjoy cocktails, soft drinks, or your kids will just want to hang out in this bench. If you have questions, give us a call or visit PoolWarehouse.com.